Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com. Today we're going to break down the ForceField Race Ready chest protector. Okay, the ForceField Race Ready chest protector is on our website right now for $29.99. That is a phenomenal deal. We made a nice closeout buy on these. We're passing the savings along to you all. This really removes the whole I can't afford a chest protector argument. If you're riding on the racetrack, adding chest protection to your kit is a phenomenal idea. There's some serious injuries that can be had, right, from impact to the chest, and this just really helps to mitigate that. How do you wear this? There's no straps or anything on it. Personally, I prefer the chest protectors that don't have any straps. The more stuff you put under a suit, the more volume it takes up, the more it reduces your comfort. This is really easy to wear. You simply unzip the suit, slide this in, right in this area, zip up, and the suit itself is going to hold it in place. If your suit is so loose in the chest area that this thing slides down while you're riding, you got the wrong size race suit. Speaking of size, we have 3 different sizes here. We've got the small in the front, the medium in the middle, and the large in the back. As you can clearly see from this comparison, we're talking about millimeters in difference of size here, right? At the end of the day, if you're a smaller rider, if you're really small in stature, go with a size small. If you want to take up the least possible space inside your suit, go with a small. But beyond that, I think most riders are going to be well served with any one of these, right? Certainly if you're a bigger person, go with the large. This is a nice piece of armor. ForceField does a great job. They have some of the best impact protectors in the industry, and they have for quite a long time. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.